A triangle with rational coordinates will never be an equilateral triangle. If I have a triangle ABC, for suppose take a triangle ABC. Take a triangle ABC. And the coordinates of the triangle may be A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Okay. So I have a triangle ABC and these are the coordinates of the vertices. As per the statement of this problem, if these coordinates are rationals, then for sure we are confirmed that the triangle is not equilateral. See, triangle ABC is A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Okay. And see, given these coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, all these are rationals. All these are rational numbers. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3. And now I need to see what I need to prove is the triangle formed by these three vertices can never be an equilateral. To prove that, my tool is area of the triangle. See, what will be the area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is, by our usual process, half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula to find the area. And in that formula, if you observe, x1, x2, x3 are rationals, y1, y2, y3 are rationals. These differences are also rationals. This is rational and multiplication with 1 by 2 is rational, and this result is a rational number, rational value. Okay. If all these vertices, see, coordinates are rationals, area is also rational. But what to say about area of equilateral triangle? My target is to prove that the triangle can never be equilateral. So area of the equilateral triangle is usually given by the rule that root 3 by 4 a square, and that is equals to root 3 by 4 into a square means what? A is this side of the equilateral triangle. If it is an equilateral, you may take any side. Okay. For suppose I will take AB square. So that is equals to root 3 by 4 into AB square, in the sense x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Just have a look. x1, x2, y1, y2 are rationals. x2 minus x1 is rational, its square is rational. y2 minus y1 is rational, its square is rational. So this is a rational number, but we are multiplying with root 2, it will become irrational. So we know that area of the triangle is this particular formula, and it is giving us a rational value as area. But when you use equilateral triangle formula, it results as an irrational value as area. So area of the triangle, when you found using equilateral triangle formula, it is giving irrational area, and when you are using normal formula, it is giving a rational value. Both these two are contradict one another. This contradiction arises that since we are supposing that the triangle is equilateral. See, given these vertices are rational, and we need to prove that the triangle is not equilateral, and for that you just suppose triangle as equilateral. See, if you suppose it as equilateral, then now I have a chance to use area formula. I used it. This supposition will become wrong at the end. Once again I repeat for you. See, I have a triangle ABC, these are the vertices. These are all rational numbers. This is also given. I need to prove that the triangle is not equilateral. But I suppose that the triangle as equilateral. Since I took triangle as equilateral, I have a chance to use equilateral triangle area. I found it rational. I have another formula to find area, and I found it as irrational. These two are one another contradict each other because rational and irrational. So this is a wrong concept. This is a contradiction. Why I arrived to this contradiction? Just because of this supposition. Since I arrived to a contradictory statement, my supposition is wrong. My supposition is that triangle is equilateral. That is wrong. That in turn represents that triangle is not equilateral. So finally what I conclude is, I have a triangle with rational coordinates, then for sure it is not equilateral. Okay? So this is a proof by contradiction. We need to show that the triangle is not equilateral, but initially I supposed it as equilateral and I found a contradiction. That contradiction concludes that the given triangle is not equilateral. Have a look.